Eddie finds the perfect tree to build a den. Maisy and Cyril collect little twigs, whilst Charlie looks for branches and sticks. Tallulah picks daisies for a special surprise. What a marvellous den! Look at that, awesome! Definitely big enough for an elephant. Oh, well, apparently big enough for an elephant. Surprise, says Tallulah. She has made everyone lovely flower crowns. Thank you, Tallulah. What a wonderful day exploring outside. I love the park, says Maisy. And that was Maisy. Maisy goes on a nature walk. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video. And remember, you can always subscribe at Read Us a Story.